Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove phone number on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove our phone number from TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone. And on this interface guys at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile icon available for us. Tap on that profile icon. And on this interface, let's close this. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your settings icon available for us. Tap on settings or the gear icon. On this interface, you can see the gear icon at the top right corner, and over here guys, you can see your account option available for us. Tap on account. And over here again at the top of the screen, there is the account information. Tap on account information, and over here you'll be able to find your phone number at the top of the screen. Now to unlink or remove your phone number from TikTok, tap on that phone number, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be able to unlink the phone number, and a code verification or this kind of interface will appear. Tap on unlink and go through the procedure, and then your phone number will be unlinked on WhatsApp. And guys, this is how to remove phone number on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.